Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door switch and bracket assembly on your dishwasher. The reason why you would have to do this is because your door won't stay closed or your dishwasher won't start. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit, as well as a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to start with opening up our dishwasher's door here. So now what we have to do is we have to get all the screws off around the door here. So we're going to be using a star bit VT20 in order to get those out. Now that we have all the screws out, what we can do is we can separate the two parts of the door now. So this part will just lift straight out. And then you can just set this side right over here, like so. So now we have to remove this black plastic cover, and on each side there are a couple of tabs that are holding it in place. So what we're going to do is we're just going to push in on this side where the tab is and lift it up and out. And same thing here, just take that out. So now we're going to get this metal bracket out of our way, and we're going to take our 1/4-inch nut driver and unscrew this last screw here, and then we can unplug all the wires and those should pull straight off. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement door switch and bracket assembly. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now if your door switch and bracket assembly don't come together already, what you're going to have to do is you're going to take the switch right here, and it's going to push in to this clip right here and just slide all the way in like so until the clip clips it in place and holds it down there. And we've got the switch right there, so we're going to move that down so we can push it in the rest of the way, just like that. And the same thing on the other side. We're just going to push this into place. And lower that switch and push it in the rest of the way. There we go. Now we'll put our assembly into place. And you're going to want to make sure that the handle is facing right there and going into that slot. And now we can plug it back in. And we'll screw this screw back in here to hold it in place. And now we'll put this bracket back into place here. And make sure all the holes line up. Like so. And now we'll put our plastic cover back into place, lining it up. And then once we get it lined up, we can push it back down. And once it's pushed back down, it should lock those tabs on the sides into place. And now we'll put the other half of the door back on. And what we're going to do is just make sure that all the screw holes line up, like so. There we go. And once we do that, we can screw everything back in. And now you can close up your washer door, plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.